So we've just shown you how to nest a part. Now we're going to show you how to add a part into the cut room. So you want to go down to manual here, and now this is the cut room. So from here, this is your direction buttons for the torch head. So you want to move the torch head away from you, you can move the torch head away from you, etc, etc. So this will ultimately be where the torch head starts to cut. So in order to cut this profile, we're going to have to move the torch head away from us and all the way to the end of the table. And then we're going to have to go to load. And now we're going to load test 2. And now from test 2, we've loaded this into the part room. Now this is a really confusing section. We have loaded test 2, but we can't actually see what we've loaded until we preview the part. Now from previewing the part, this is where you would go back to manual and you would drive the torch head. You would drive the torch head to the correct location to start outlining this part. So this is outline, it's saying we're off the surface, you just say okay, and now this is outlining the part now. So once you've outlined the part and you know it's within the desired area to cut, say you're cutting on a piece of scrap, once you've outlined the part, you can then preview the cut. This will check torch height, this will check all sorts of stuff. In order to actually start the preview, you have to click this start button, otherwise it won't start. So if you go preview start, it'll run through a test fire of this cut. So this is good. If you're unsure, if you've got a sheet that's slightly bent, you could run through and test the part. If you ever need to just stop anything, escape is the key. You do have to pause before you can escape. Okay, so we'll cancel that. So that is how you nest a part into the cut room and preview the cut part. If you wanted to actually start cutting the part, you just press the start button here and it will start to cut the part that's in this nested area.